Hi everybody, it's Scott from National Cycle. Today we'll be installing our new VStream windshield on its 2022 Yamaha MT-07. Included in the hardware kit are 2 rubber washers and 2 plastic bushings. To complete this installation, you need a 4mm and a 5mm Allen wrench. To begin the installation, you want to remove these 4 mounting bolts at the top of the headlight with your 4mm Allen wrench. There is a small washer that comes on the bolts. You want to hold on to those. They will be used later in installation. Now you want to remove the 2 bolts here and here that hold the headlight in place and the hardware behind it. Use your 5mm Allen wrench. Again, there is a washer in here, so you want to hold on to that and make sure you don't lose it. With the 2 bolts out, slide this whole assembly forward. It'll hinge down, and on the inside here, there's a little bushing inside this rubber bushing here. Gonna push it out from the inside, pull it out, and then remove the rubber bushing. Now you take the plastic bushing that comes in the kit and put it in place on each side. We just took those other bushings out. Slide this back into place. Then reinstall the original bolt and washer. Now we're going to install the windshield. On the upper mounts, you want to use both the bolt and the washer that came original with the bike. And on each of the upper mounts, you want to use one of the supplied washers that came with the kit. Now simply align the windshield in the upper mounts into the well nuts. Do a nice snug up with your 4mm Allen. Then install the lower bolts. Again, use the original washer that came with the kit. Now make sure they're nice and snug. Once you feel like getting a little bit of tension on these, stop. Don't over tighten. Now your VStream windshield's all ready to go. Looks great, easy to install, and it'll give you great protection going down the road. I have a feeling this is not going to be the last time you see this MT-07 in one of our videos. So check back often to see new products and new things coming out for this model and other models from National Cycle. If you're looking for information on this product or any other product by National Cycle, visit our website at nationalcycle.com. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good ride.